Should we start the session? Okay, let's start. So first question for you all, join fast. Today all the questions will be subjective. You have to solve in your copies. Okay, be ready with copy pen. You have to solve in copies. Out of 35, only 14 have joined. So ready, everyone? Ready for the first question? So here's the first question on your screen. Find the distance of the point -3, 4 from the x-axis. Find the distance of the point. Point I've written 2 times here. -3, 4 from the x-axis. Last time we have seen about the distance formula from the origin. Okay, so that concept only we will apply here. That concept only from x-axis. Total 150 seconds. Now you are left with 1 minute 50 seconds. Find the distance of the point -3, 4 from x-axis. Only answer. Solution I will show. Only answer. Just give only answer. One year. 19 answers I have got. Last 35 seconds. Time's up. So let's see the correct answer. Different answers I have got. So correct answer is 4. Correct answer is 4. Many of you have got the correct answer. Not 5. Not 5. 4 correct. 4 correct. Root 97. So let's see the solution. Many of you have got correct answer. So here's the solution. Those who wants to write the solution, here is the solution. AB to find the distance between 2 points. From x-axis, that means y-axis will be 0. Question number 2. Two marks question from CBSE board exams. If -2, -1, a, 0, 4, b and 1, 2 are the vertices of parallelogram, find the values of a and b. You have total 3 minutes. 2 marks question. Take your time, solve it. Six answers I have got. Take your time, full time. This is 2 marks question. Last 20 seconds. Time's up. So let's see the answer. Correct answer is value of A 1, B 3. First correct, second correct, third correct. Now this one also correct. Correct. ABCD is a rhombus. Wow. Okay, so I think that's all only answers are correct. Check once again. Just now one student has lost his marks. All correct, I think. A1, B3. So let's see the leaderboard. This time Divyansh, Moksh, Mili, Punya. On first, Veeram, Molly. Who is this? Shami, Purab, Sambhav, and RJ. So I am removing this RJ. Who is this RJ? Type fast your name, full name. Otherwise, I will remove from this game you. Okay, so he's not interested. So remove him. Now let's see the solution. If anyone having any doubt, we know that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So for the bisection midpoint formula, we are already having the points, the coordinates of ABCD. So how we are taking this? So if the diagonals are bisecting, that means this point will be the midpoint, and we will apply the midpoint formula to find the coordinates of this point. Suppose it is O. Okay. So we can say AO and OC will be equal, OB and OD will be equal. So that only we have got here. We have got all the coordinates of A, B, C, D. So from here we can clearly calculate. कुछ लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे कि पैरेललोग्राम में ए बी सी डी डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला से हम निकाल लेते हैं, उससे फिर हम इक्वेशन बनाएंगे, उससे फिर हम ए और बी का वैल्यू लगाएंगे लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल करके. वैसा में खुद सोचो, 2 नंबर के लिए 5 नंबर की मेहनत कर रहे हो. ए बी से डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला निकालोगे, एक इक्वेशन मिलेगा ए के टर्म्स में. सी डी से एक डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला निकालोगे, वो भी ए बी के फॉर्म में एक आएगा. पैरेललोग्राम में ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं, ये कॉन्सेप्ट लगाओगे. 2 नंबर के लिए इतना मेहनत क्यों करना? ओके, सो दिस थिंग कैन आल्सो बी डन बाय मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला. इससे इजीली कैलकुलेट हो जा रहा है. क्लियर एवरीवन? कैन वी मूव अहेड? ऑल हैव रिटन द सॉल्यूशन? Anybody still writing? Anybody still writing? Can I move to the next? No response. Next topic is section formula. To find the coordinates of point, you can see in diagram, of point P on the line AB, which divides the line in a particular ratio. So understand this also. Suppose we are having this line A, B, and suppose it is of 10 centimeter. If I am saying that I am having a point P in between, okay, so This will be 5 centimeter. This will be 5 centimeter. Okay. So we can say the ratio is same. The ratio is same, 1:1. Okay. Now if I am taking this point P in some another way, like here I have taken Q point. This is 3 centimeter and the rest is 7 centimeter. Okay, this can also be done. So this can be done. So the main topic, the main concept of here section formula is if some point is dividing the line, in which ratio they will divide. Okay. If a line is divided into two parts, in which ratio it has been divided. यही है section formula. It can be divided into 1:2 ratio. It can be divided into 2:3 ratio. This is the basic concept. Okay. So here it has written m:1. Next, the formula for the section formula. The coordinates which we are getting here is determined. Suppose it has been divided in ratio m:n. Then and the coordinate of P is x comma y, the coordinate of A is x1 comma y1, the coordinate of B is x2 comma y2. Okay, so this x and y coordinate, this x and y coordinate can be calculated by the formula given on your screen. This x and y coordinate will be found by the formula given on your screen, with the ratio also given m and the coordinates of a, b, a coordinate 1 x1 y1, b coordinate 2 x2 y2. Okay, so p x comma y is any point on the line segment. This is just a line segment. अगर यहाँ आपने एरो लगा दिया तो ये पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट गलत हो जाएगा. खुद सोचो, एरो लगाने का मतलब है वो कंटिन्यूअस जा रहा है. तो जब वो कंटिन्यूअस जा रहा है तो हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि वो 10 सेंटीमीटर का है कि 20 सेंटीमीटर का है, या उसको हाफ में ही डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. एक भी एरो नहीं लगना चाहिए. दिस इज लाइन सेगमेंट, नॉट लाइन. अगर गलती से भी एग्जाम में लाइन लिख दिए तो वो पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट गलत हो जाएगा. क्लियर? So can we move to the question? Anyone having any doubt? Okay. So let's move to the question. Fast answer, more points for this question. In which quadrant the point P divides the line segment joining the points A 2, -5 and B 5, 2 in ratio 2:3? In which quadrant the point P that divides the line segment joining the points in ratio 2:3 lies? Means P जो point है वो कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में लाई करता है, ये कौन डिसाइड करेगा? जब उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स पता चलेंगे P के, वो डिसाइड करेगा कि ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट का है, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट का है, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट का है या फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट का है. ओके, क्वेश्चन से कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. सबसे पहले हमको पॉइंट्स निकालना है, उसके प्लस माइनस को देखते हुए हम बताएंगे कि ये कौन से क्वाड्रेंट का है. Solve it. Last 30 seconds. So let's see the answer. 16, 5 minus 11, 5. Others have written only the quadrants. How could you know the quadrant without points? First and basic thing. How could you know without points that which quadrant it will lie? Solve किए इसलिए. Okay. तो क्वाड्रेंट कैसे पता चलेगा बिना पॉइंट्स के? So I am giving for the quadrants, fourth quad. Yes, this time giving marks. Let me check. Fourth quadrant correct. Fourth quadrant की spelling ही गलत है. Fourth point lies in fourth quadrant. Okay. Only written 4. Done. Only this 7 by 5 and minus 3 by 5 is wrong. Just I have given the marks. So let's see the points table. So this time with the timing points, Moksha first, Divyansh second, Mili third, Punya fourth, Viram Jain. Who is this kids? Viram Jain fifth, then Purab, Sambhav, Arshit, Khushak. Okay. So let's see the solution. Simple section formula. Okay. And the formula we put m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, or you can write m or n also. For the x-axis, the x coordinate, for the y-axis, y coordinate, and the denominator will be same, m plus n or m1 plus m2. So you will get 16 by 5 and minus 11 by 5. And by seeing the points, we can say that this is of fourth quadrant. Okay. So this was just a simple question. Let's move to another. Last question. Take your time. Again, fast answer, more points. In what ratio does the line x minus y minus 2 equals to 0 divide the line segment joining 3 comma minus 1 and 8 comma 9? CBSE 2017 3 marks question. Total time 3 minutes. Take your time. Two minutes left. 3 marks question. Take your time. I have given 3 minutes for 3 marks because earlier you have solved 3 questions. Based on that only I have given. This time no points given, just shown that a line is there and which is intersecting with a points, we can say line segment again. So how the line and line segment intersect, after intersecting, at which point they intersect and in what ratio. This is a line. This is line segment. Suppose line segment is A, B with the coordinates of A 3, -1 and B 8, 9. We will not put the quadrant, okay, because if quadrant is made, then you have to calculate exact point of measure of 3 from x axis and -1 from y axis. So quadrant में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस कभी मत बनाना, ओके, डायरेक्ट सिंपल ऐसे ही रखना. क्वाड्रेंट में फिर वो हमको प्रूफ करना पड़ेगा कि वो x से 3 है, y से -1 है, ये x से 8 है, y से 9 है. So it's better you just draw a simple diagram. Line x minus y minus 2, or you can say x minus y equals to 2. This line is x minus y equals to 2. So the correct ratio is 2:3. So only these many. So let's see the points table, then we will see the solution. So this time Moksh has done the top in leaderboard, then Punya, Divyansh, Viram, Mili, Purab, Harshit, Shambhav, and Kushal. So here's the solution. The points AB line divides the line segment at point C. So this will be the point C, you can see. And let us take ratio as m:n. And we have to find the point C, the coordinates of C also. Okay. So first we have got the coordinates of C in terms of x and y. So we don't know the ratio also, and we don't know the points also. So this will be the linear equation in two variables. In which we have got these equations. So on solving, we will get the final ratio of m:n as 2:3. Done all? Let's see from first. First write it down this one, after then you can continue.